This is questions 4 and 12 from exercise 2.3 in Project Maths 3A. We define the slope of the line containing each given pair of points. So we'll start by writing down the slope formula. The letter we use in place of for slope is m. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So we'll look at question 4. We'll call the first point point 1. That's going to be x1, y1. We call the second point point 2. So that's x2, y2. And we're just going to put our values into our formula. So m equals, and then y2 minus y1 is going to be 8 minus 2. And then all over x2 minus x1 is going to be 6 minus 2. And that's going to be equal to 6 over 4, which can be simplified down to 3/2, like that. So that's our slope for question 4. For question 12, our points are minus a quarter and 7/2 and 3/4, 3/2. So the first point is point 1, x1, y1, and our second point is point 2, x2, y2. So even though there's fractions involved, we're still going to put them into the formula, which itself is a big fraction. So y2 minus y1 is going to be 3/2 minus 7/2, and that is all going to be over x2 minus x1, 3/4 minus a quarter, so it's going to be plus a quarter. That's what our m is equal to. So on top we have 3/2 minus 7/2, which is going to be minus 4/2, and on the bottom we've got 3/4 plus a quarter, so this is going to be equal to 1. And then minus 4/2 is just equal to minus 2, and that divided by 1 is just minus 2. So our slope in this case is just minus 2. Although if you want, you can leave it as minus 2 over 1, if you would prefer. And that is that.